You can use chicken stock to make some delicious chicken rice, enhance the taste of your vegetables, bake a nice pie, make sauces to complement your main dish, fry up some noodles, make a hearty bowl of soup, and many more. So stay on to the end and give me the pleasure to teach you how to make chicken stock. Prepare a 2 kg whole chicken. Start by butchering it into pieces like this. Then you'll need some olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Drizzle the olive oil all over the chicken. Lightly rub the meat to ensure that the oil is spread throughout evenly. Sprinkle the black pepper and salt evenly as well. Now place the chicken into the oven to roast for around 45 minutes in 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit heat. Once done, you'll get your chicken with a nice coat of brown. Take some time to remove the meat using your hands and leaving the bones behind. Prepare 2 large stalks of celery that has been chopped into pieces, 250 grams of chopped carrots, and 2 large yellow onions chopped into 8 parts. Now throw everything into the boiling water and let it go for 3 to 5 hours depending on the time you have on hand and depending on how intense you want the stock to taste. Personally, I would just do 4 hours. After waiting patiently, you'll be greeted with this beauty. Allow the chicken stock to cool down first, and once ready, transfer the stock into a pot using a strainer to act as a filter. Do not throw away the stock residue. You could use it to make baby food, make sauces, and even use it to cook some tasty porridge. Finally, transfer the stock into an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator or freezer. If you store it in the refrigerator, the stock could last up to 4 days. If you store it in the freezer, it could last for up to 6 months. So that is it. This is the quick and easy way to make chicken stock. Hope you've learned something today.